It's better than the Tomei, guys. It's better than the Tomei. Like, it looks better, sounds better, it's better. It's your boy D with the OBD Mafia. Today we're gonna be installing a new exhaust. I'm bringing you guys the Carven exhaust. Let's do an unboxing. You know what's crazy about this exhaust? It comes with a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty. It is not super popular. People don't really know much about it, but I think that it's better than the Tomei. Here's why. So the Tomei also has these slip joints, but this is stainless steel. So stainless steel over time is going to be more durable. This allows the exhaust to flex during load and vibrations and everything. The Tomei does not have this. That exhaust then cracks over time. The ceramic coated black exhaust tip. Now that to me is the most aesthetic thing about this exhaust. But for the ultimate test, the sound. So we're going to put it on. Alright, so we got the exhaust on. Now I'm gonna throw on my diffuser, drop the car, and then we're gonna see how she sounds. My God, look at how beautiful this thing looks. Fits pretty well with the diffuser. This is the Verus diffuser. It even comes with the toe strap. I want to give a big shout out to Import Image Racing. They've always been a big help throughout the years since I've owned this car. Cold start. We're gonna do some driving clips just to really see how it sounds in the cabin. That thing is loud, but it sounds good. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna go terrorize the streets, alright? I'll catch you guys on the next one.